Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build your own AI-powered job search agent that sends job alerts directly to your Discord, and you can access it from anywhere. This workflow reads your resume, converts it into structured data, matches it with job portal URLs using AI to find the best roles, and sends job alerts directly to your Discord via a webhook. Let's get started. First, download Docker Desktop. I'm using macOS, but you can install it for your own system. Once installed, make sure Docker is running. Step 1. Install Langflow. Now, open your terminal. Create a new directory and move into it. Next, run the command to pull the latest Langflow image. This will take a few seconds. Done. Step 2. Run Langflow Locally. Now, paste the command to run Langflow Locally. You'll see Docker starting the container, like this. Langflow will run on localhost 7860. Copy this link and open it in your browser. Click on Create First Flow. You'll see multiple workflows, but we'll build our own. Step 3. Create Discord webhook. Now open Discord. Log in with your credentials. I already have a server, so I'll create a webhook here. Click on the Server drop-down, then go to Server Settings, then go to Integrations. Then click on Webhooks. Click New Webhook. Rename it, save changes, and copy the webhook URL. We'll use this inside Langflow. Step 4. Build complete workflow. Rename the workflow like job_search_agent. And save. Search for read file and add it. Upload your resume. I'm using a PDF. Next, add a prompt template. Write a prompt to convert the resume into structured JSON. Now add a language model. Go to Manage Model Provider. I am selecting OpenAI. Then click on Open AI Credentials. Log into your account and go to API Keys. Create a OpenAI API key. Then copy the API key and paste it here. Click on Save Configuration. You can also use Gemini or other models. Now add a URL component. You can add multiple URLs. Copy this job portal link and paste it here. I already added multiple sources. Add another prompt template. Now we'll create a prompt that combines job URLs with resume insights. This takes inputs from job URLs and the language model's analysis of the resume. Connect both inputs properly. Now add another language model component. This will analyze the data and find suitable jobs. I'm adding a prompt to format the output for clean, structured results. Inside the language model, you can see different models available. I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flash. Add a chat output temporarily to test. Connect the chat output to the model response. This is a demo resume. Now let's test the output. Open Playground. Click on Run Flow. Perfect. You can see job roles with application links. Now remove the chat output. Let's automate notifications. Add a new custom component. Open the code section. Paste code to send the LLM response to your Discord webhook. Replace with your Discord server webhook URL. Connect the language model's output to this component. Click Run. The workflow is running. Open Discord. And yes, your job alerts are here. Now you can apply from anywhere, even your phone. You can export your workflow as JSON and generate an API key in Langflow to run and manage it from external apps and services. Last step. Set up Pinggy Tunnel. Open Pinggy's official website and go to the dashboard, then log in to your account. I'm using a Pinggy Pro plan. change the port to 7860, where Langflow is running locally. Copy the command, open a new terminal, and paste it. It will instantly generate a public URL. I am opening an incognito window, and paste the link. And now Langflow is live. Open the job search agent workflow, run it. And yes, it's working perfectly. Now you can access it from anywhere and get real-time job alerts on Discord. No more manual searching. Customize it further to make your job search faster and smarter. The code and prompts are available in the GitHub repo, linked in the video description. Thanks for watching.